Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by checking your connection and launching a browser, then go straight to Google. Type Google. Com in the address bar and press Enter. Once the Google homepage loads, make sure you can see the search box and any suggestions. If you use an account, sign in now to keep links synced. Signing in is optional but useful. Then, decide whether you'll open a search result, a direct URL, or a link from a saved bookmark. We'll open a link next. You type your query or paste the exact URL into Google's search box, then scan results for relevance. Look at the domain and snippet to judge quality. Once you find the link you want, hover to verify the destination. This helps avoid unwanted sites. Decide how to open it. Left-click to open now, middle-click or Control/CMD click to open in a new tab, or right-click to pick more options. Make sure pop-up blockers aren't preventing new windows from opening. You finish by organizing the link, pin the tab, bookmark it, or move it to a folder so you can return later. If the link fails to open, first try opening it in a new private window. That bypasses extensions and cached data. Once done, disable problematic extensions or clear cache and cookies if the page still misbehaves. Finally, restart the browser or your device. That often resolves stubborn issues, and if not, try a different browser to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.